Hello everyone! In this video I'd like to talk to you about how to develop your arpeggios technique. Now I will be playing study number 5 by Mauro Giuliani, which is considered to be one of the most helpful studies for developing this technique. You should practice this study in different ways. Actually, this piece is meant to be played by playing 6 notes per beat, so that each bass note is played on each beat of a metronome. Let me show you how it sounds like. I will set my metronome at 65. So then you should subdivide 3 notes per beat first, to make sure that you can play it evenly. So there are 3 notes per beat now. Then set the metronome at any tempo depending on your abilities. For example, before I played at 65 and now I should double it and set the metronome at 130. There are a bass note which is played on a bit of a metronome and the top string which is played on a bit of metronome. If it's still very hard for you to play it evenly, you can subdivide it further. So try playing 2 notes per beat. Like that. I will set my metronome at 158. So you have figured out which way to work on this study is the most suitable for you. Begin playing it 5 times in a row without taking a break in order to gain stamina. Just choose the right tempo so that you're able to play it, and you need to feel exhausted by the end, but not painful, remember it. Then reverse the order of the notes and it will be very challenging. It's very important because a ring finger is the weakest one, and playing this version will require a ring finger to play more often. Like 2 times in a row. So let me show you how it sounds like. I will be playing it 6 notes per beat, and I will set my metronome at 65. Play it 5 times in a row, and please make sure that you play it properly and evenly in order to prevent any problems. The next study I'd like you to pay attention to is Emilio Pujol's Abejorro. study can help you improve your arpeggios technique very quickly. Let's subdivide 2 notes per beat. And let me show you. I will set my metronome at 100. And then we can subdivide 2 notes per beat and play it with P, M, I, M. Let me show you the same tempo. And then I would recommend you to play different combinations of your fingers. Like you can play P, I, A, I. And so on. P, A, I, A. And the most important one is P, M, A, M. And P, A, M, A. Set your metronome at a comfortable tempo and play each combination 5 times in a row without taking a break. Of course, you can take a break between switching the combinations. So do it regularly and the result isn't long in coming. Thank you for watching this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Bye!